Darling, what's your name?
Hi everybody.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Avery.
Who are you?
5 years old.
5 years old. What song you gonna sing for us?
Jingle bell.
Jingle bell. Okay, let's give her a round of applause.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing up bushes of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chiming, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time is the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling seat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. And prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell night to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling feet. That's the Jingle Bell, that's the Jingle Bell, that's the Jingle Bell Rock.
Woo! Thank you, Avery. When she wants to sing, I give people out. Thank you very much. Can I ask what's your toy's name? This one? What's the name?
Uni.
Uni. Oh, okay. How about you, Avery? Can I welcome the next student, Anna? Anna? Yes. Can we give her a round of applause?
差唔多啊，好長咯，呢個 song，not bad。